Today we're gonna look at a product from Thunelec, the U9 earbuds, true wireless earbuds, hi-fi, sports and running. You have to charge them. So let's see what's in here. I've already opened it. We will have a look together as well. So what you get is the headphones, the earbuds. The sides are like this, fingerprint magnet, USB-C, no wireless charging, and there's a button. You press on the button, it starts up the display, which has an animation, and it displays the time, and you can lock it. I mean, it gets locked. So you open it up, and then you have the earbuds, which they pair with your phone. So this one, I can't remember how you unlock it. Yeah, that's it. So you can operate. It doesn't have an app, but you can operate everything from here. So you can play the music, pause it, forward, skip backward. It shows the battery percentage of the case and of the earbuds. You can control the volume. Then you have then the touchscreen. It works really well. You have noise cancelling here through that actually works. Even the noise cancelling, it blocks some of the rumbling noises. And then you have normal mode. Then you have different types of sound. For example, you have jazz, classic, pop, rock, and then you can also set it up to is this an alarm? I'm not too sure. Either to shut down or to do an alarm. This is the light level. So you can increase the display light or decrease it. Language, and the screen lock, you can change it. You have a couple of screen locks to choose from, 3 actually. And then you can also find the earbuds if you press on that. Let me just take them out, maybe. So let's try again. Okay, I can hear one of them beeping. What about this other one? Yes, it works really well. For example, if you press the left one, then you press start, and then you stop it. Then you want to do the right one, press start, and then the other one. Not very loud, but it's enough to hear it. And then what else it has? The date and time and calendar, camera, so you might control your camera on the phone. And then this is like a flashlight, so you can have a bit of light in the dark. Pretty impressive, I have to say. It doesn't have an app on the phone, so you rely on this, but I feel like in terms of functionality it's enough. I did use them, I mean, I have to say the plastic is good as well. I was expecting to be less quality, but it's actually quite good. And in terms of this earbuds as well, they're good plastic. This is where they have the sensors, and they also have touch pads, so you can play and pause, change the ANC. These are the shape. This is the shape. It's oval, so it's not round, and they do sound really good, especially when you use them with the right rubber, earbuds, ear tips probably is called. So once you use them with the right ear tips, it has nice bass and overall good sound. It's not comparable to some expensive earphones, but it is impressive for such an inexpensive device. Then you have the charging cable, which is USB-C to A, and you get like small and medium ear tips because I'm using the large one. Funny enough, I normally am on a medium, but with these ones I use the large one. Not much else to say. So just to recap, the battery is good, it lasts. I love the display, and you can control everything from the display, so you don't need to use the app on the phone. They have touchpads, so you can touch, tap to play, pause, answer calls, and all that good stuff. And then the sound is good. I can't complain. And then another nice feature about them is that they are good quality, but I can't remember what exactly I wanted to say. So there's a touch. They stay in the case just well. Yeah, I mean, for such an inexpensive device, I'm actually impressed. So yeah, thanks for watching.